Retractable tonneau covers are quickly becoming a go-to option for truck owners who want secure, weather-resistant bed protection without giving up convenience. They offer a cleaner look than soft covers and more flexibility than one-piece hard lids. Whether you're hauling tools, weekend gear, or just want to keep things out of sight, the right cover makes a big difference. In this video, we're counting down the 6 best retractable tonneau covers for 2025. All product links and more details are listed in the description below. Number 6. Pace Edwards JackRabbit. If you're after a retractable tonneau cover that keeps things simple and doesn't stretch the budget, the Pace Edwards JackRabbit is a solid place to start. It's a no-frills option that focuses on function over flash, and that's exactly why it works for a lot of truck owners. The cover features powder-coated aluminum panels beneath a vinyl top surface, giving it a clean finish while still keeping the structure lightweight and strong. The operation is handled by a continuous tension spring, which allows the cover to retract automatically into the canister at the front of the bed. It's a manual system, but it rolls in smoothly and quickly with just a light tug. One of its better features is the multiple locking positions along the rail. This means you don't have to fully retract the cover to secure it. You can stop it partway depending on your cargo. It's a handy touch for partial loads or oddly sized items. Weather protection is decent thanks to the perimeter seals, but in heavier rain or after a full wash, you may see a little water sneak through near the tailgate. Installation is clamp-on and relatively manageable for DIYers with basic tools, though it helps have a second set of hands. Compatibility is broad, covering most popular full-size trucks. While it rides quietly on the road, the retraction can sound a bit metallic if the track isn't kept clean or lubricated. But for casual use or someone getting their first tonneau cover, the JackRabbit checks a lot of boxes. It's straightforward, durable enough, and won't break the bank doing its job. Number 5. Truck Covers USA American Roll Cover. If maximum security is at the top of your list, the American Roll Cover from Truck Covers USA is worth a serious look. It's the heaviest and most rugged option on this list, and that's exactly the point. This cover is built like a vault, designed for truck owners who carry expensive gear, tools, or valuables and want serious protection. The cover is made from thick, interlocking aluminum panels with reinforced slats. It's solid from end to end and doesn't flex or rattle, even on rough roads. The locking system uses a manual key lock with multiple latch positions, so you can secure it fully closed or stop it partway depending on your needs. In terms of security, this is as close to impenetrable as you're going to get in a retractable cover. The panels are tight, the locks are strong, and the tracks are designed to resist tampering. It's ideal for contractors, work trucks, or anyone who frequently stores high-value items in the bed. It also holds up extremely well in bad weather. The water seals and drainage system are built to handle heavy rain, snow, and even freezing conditions without warping or leaking. The trade-off here is weight. This is a heavy cover, and opening or closing it manually takes more effort than most others on the market. It's not a deal-breaker, but it does take getting used to. It's also on the pricier end, and that's before adding upgrades like the optional integrated toolbox. But for those who value strength, durability, and top-tier protection, the American Roll Cover delivers exactly that. It's not the easiest or lightest option, but it is one of the toughest. Number 4. Retrax PowerTrax PROXR. The Retrax PowerTrax PROXR is made for truck owners who want premium convenience and versatility, especially if you're hauling gear on and off the bed. This powered retractable cover blends remote-controlled operation with an integrated rail system that makes it one of the most flexible covers available right now. Built from industrial-grade aluminum, the PowerTrax PROXR features a low-profile matte black finish that looks clean and feels tough. The standout feature is its motorized operation. You can open or close the cover with the push of a button using the included remote. It glides smoothly into the canister, which sits up front near the cab. Another major plus is the XRT slot rail system. These rails run along the top of the bed and are compatible with popular rack systems from brands like Yakima and Thule. That means you can run crossbars above the bed while keeping your gear secure below it. Perfect for outdoor setups or work trucks. Security is solid as well. The cover can be locked anywhere along the rails, so you don't have to open or close it all the way to secure your load. Combined with the durable aluminum slats, it's a dependable option for both gear protection and accessibility. Weather resistance is another strong suit here. The cover includes a full perimeter seal and a built-in drainage system to keep rain and snow from sneaking into the bed. Everything stays dry and the operation is unaffected in cold or wet conditions. It does need to be wired to your truck's battery, and with its higher price tag, it's probably best left to professional installation. But for those who prioritize flexibility, automation, and compatibility with rooftop gear, the PowerTrax PROXR is hard to beat. Number 3. Gator Recoil. If you're looking for a retractable tonneau cover that offers great performance without tipping into high-end pricing, the Gator Recoil is one of the most balanced picks out there. It delivers solid materials, smooth operation, and practical features, making it a strong value in the mid-range category. The cover is built with interlocking aluminum slats that provide good durability and protection. It sits flush with the bed rails, giving it a low-profile appearance that complements most truck designs. The textured matte black finish also helps hide dust and scratches over time, keeping it looking clean even with frequent use. Gator Recoil uses a spring-loaded mechanism for manual operation. The recoil is smooth and controlled, it doesn't slam back into the canister, and you can stop it at several preset locking points along the track. That makes it easy to secure items of varying sizes without having to roll the cover all the way open or closed. Installation is straightforward, especially for those comfortable with DIY projects. It comes with clamp-on rails and requires no drilling, so setup is quicker than many other models. Once installed, the cover forms a tight seal, and the built-in drainage tubes help channel water out of the bed area to keep cargo dry. The finish holds up well over time, resisting fading and corrosion. And despite being a manually operated cover, it runs quietly and doesn't rattle, even at highway speeds. Fitment is available for a wide range of mid-size and full-size trucks. The Gator Recoil doesn't aim to be flashy. Instead, it focuses on delivering consistent function, durability, and everyday usability at a price that makes sense for most truck owners. It's a dependable choice for anyone who wants quality without overpaying. Number 2. Retrax EQ. For those who like their truck accessories to be as smart as their phones, the Retrax EQ brings a high-tech edge to tonneau cover convenience. This is a smart-powered retractable cover that blends heavy-duty materials with app-based control, making it one of the most advanced options available for 2025. The standout feature here is the Bluetooth connectivity. Using the Retrax app, you can open, close, or stop the cover remotely right from your phone. It also includes programmable limits, so you can control how far it retracts based on the cargo you're hauling. Smart alerts provide added peace of mind, letting you know if the cover is open or in motion. Underneath the tech, the Retrax EQ is all business. It's constructed from thick, heavy-duty aluminum panels that feel solid and are built to withstand daily use. The matte finish gives it a clean, premium look, and the flush fit lines up perfectly with most modern truck designs. You can lock the cover at any point along the track, giving you full control over how much of the bed stays covered. That flexibility comes in handy for odd-sized cargo or when using the bed in sections. It also stands out for its weather protection. The dual-seal system forms a tight barrier around the bed, and integrated drainage channels route water away to keep your gear dry. That said, this cover isn't cheap. It's one of the most expensive on the market and requires a power source for the smart features to work properly. Professional installation is recommended to get everything wired and calibrated correctly. But if you're a tech-forward truck owner looking for security, function, and connected control all in one, the Retrax EQ is hard to beat. Number 1. Gator Tracks. Topping our list for 2025 is the Gator Tracks, widely praised for its mix of strength, customization, and everyday usability. If you're looking for a tonneau cover that balances rugged durability with smooth function and clean design, this one brings it all together in a well-rounded package. Unlike many covers that rely on aluminum, the Gator Tracks is built from a high-grade polycarbonate composite. This material is extremely tough, resistant to dents, and designed to handle UV rays, heavy loads, and shifting temperatures without warping or fading. It's built for long-term performance, even in rough environments. The operation is smooth thanks to its manual slide system that rides on sealed ball-bearing rollers. No springs, no cables, and no complicated parts to maintain. One feature that sets it apart is the infinite position design. Instead of locking only at set points, you can stop and secure the cover at any length along the rails, giving you more control over how you use your bed space. Security is handled with a key lock near the tailgate and reinforced tracks to keep the cover firmly in place. Fit and finish are tight and flush with the bed rails, giving it a clean look from all angles. You could even color match certain components to better suit your truck's paint. It fits most major truck brands and models, and installation is straightforward. Weather protection is excellent, with internal drainage channels routing water away quickly and efficiently. Despite its toughness, the cover runs whisper quiet while driving and doesn't rattle or shake even on bumpy roads. Whether you're hauling gear daily or just want a secure, good-looking cover that adapts to your needs, the Gator Tracks hits the mark. It's flexible, durable, and refined, making it our top pick this year. That wraps up our list of the top 6 retractable tonneau covers for 2025. Whether you're after high-tech features, rugged protection, or something budget-friendly, there's an option here that fits the way you use your truck. If you found this breakdown helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and check the description below for more details on each product. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, drive safe and stay covered.